First, you need to make sure you don't have ESD in your hand. So touch anything like a heater or any ground or metal stuff first. Then you need to make sure now you can handle this board. You need to make sure it's off position. The switch is off position. Then you plug in the USB to computer. And now you need to hold this side and plug in like this. You hold this because you don't hold this, it can damage or wiggling this connector. It's temporary fix, it's not permanent. So plug in, then put it here, turn on the switch and watch. Should be sound. You turn off. And you turn on. Okay. Go to the manager. MPK 249 doesn't have a, okay, let's see, properties. Hardware ID, so MPK 249, that's name. So it reads the name, the ID, which means USB is working. And you can, this chip, the STM32 chip microcontroller is powered through USB, send the USB back and forth between the PC and your board. So now it's working. It needs a driver to test it, but I don't want to install driver. I'll show you how to remove this. First, turn off. Then grab this and hold this. Hold like this. Hold it. Hold it like this. Then use your thumb and just push from the edge gently. That's it.